everyone, myself Rakhi. This year mass housing project was a combination of senior living as well as nuclear families living together. Such where different units were to be designed. One bedroom house where one nuclear family will stay with a one senior living studio. Similarly, two bedroom houses with one senior living, three bedroom houses with one senior living, and three bedroom houses with two senior living. Basically, the concept of the whole design is maintaining the privacy and still connecting the families together is the main motive of the whole design project, where we include the different amenities for housing of nuclear people and also amenities for senior livings and some common amenities too. Case study was Rohan Ashima, which is situated in Bangalore in Brookfield. So the key feature of this project is there are only walkways on the ground floor of the um, whole project. The driveways are underground. Only when you enter the site, it is divided into two parts. First part is where you go underground, park your cars, and then come up. For coming to the ground level again from the basement, internally every house has its own staircase, which is one of the key features. There are no walk there are no driveways, there are only walkways, and it has a green lush area covered with different amenities like swimming pools, foundations, gym areas, and many others. It is located in Hinjawadi in Pune. Majorly, we observe the wind from the west side from February to October, and then from November to January, we minorly observe it from the east side. The sun passes from east to west via south. There is a Mula river from on the one side of the site, and on other side we have a uh, freshwater nala. The entry to the site are from the two ways of the main road. The adjacent plot is a future development plot. Um, the road had been divided into primary roads and the secondary roads to enter into the site. The topic, I started thinking in a way like a family will live his or her means they will live their whole life in one place right from the childhood to the their old age. This is the probability. So I am considering my concept as a life which will be continuously in motion. There will be ups and downs. And we will crack everything and everything, like it includes problems and the difficulties we face in our lives. So after doing such scribbling according to what I was thinking in mind, I got such a space developed, which then I tried to divide into some community spaces, into some built up spaces, and in green areas. Ground floor plan. When we enter from the site, on the right hand side we have a watchman area. Next to it there is a parking lot of 200 cars on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have 100 car parkings. Below every building there is a two-wheeler parking, and amenity spaces are placed in between so that everyone can access it. At the end there is a community hall and a lodging area. Then we have a swimming pool area, and when we enter from the site we have a senior living office, a community office, and a nuclear family living offices also. When we go to the left hand side at the end, there we have a total, that zone is totally been dedicated to the senior living, which includes their lawns and also the dining area and kitchen area, and also their uh, get together area. When we enter from the site, first we have the first four apartments are of so when we enter from the site, the first four apartments are two bedroom hall rooms with one senior living studios, and next four are one bedroom hall rooms with one senior living studios. When we move further, on the left hand side we see a road passing which has three apartments of three hall bedrooms with one senior living studio, and next two will be the three senior hall living studio plus two senior living studios. The main motive was to maintain privacy in between them, in between the units. So most where I have tried mostly to face all the balconies and external facades on the river side or on the freshwater nala side. So the vegetation and the water helps the ventilation very properly and the circulation internally also. These are some of the sections. Here are the unit plans of one bedroom house plus one senior living studios, two bedroom house plus one senior living studio, and a three bedroom house plus one senior living studio, and three bedroom house plus two senior living studio, where every room has been attached with a toilet, and I have also tried to provide balconies to every room. Second thing is utility area has been provided with a less area. More area has been tried to work out. Clustering those unit plans, we got this cluster plan where in center I have provided a skylight and an open area, so there is no darkness in the foyer in between the units. This helps to provide natural light, and also it can be used as a common area in between the units there, in between the units of every floor. Some elevational 3D views.